What's up, beautiful people, and welcome to another episode of Don't Keep Up With the Joneses. 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 What's up, beautiful people, to another episode of Don't Keep Up With the Joneses Pallet Idea Edition. Yes, it's your boy Ricky Jones Jr. and I am back with another video. And like I said, this week's videos will all be about things that you can give somebody and or things that you can use in your home. Now, the third layer I want to put on there is these are things that you can actually do like in your garage, because I know that it is like fall in other places other than Florida, because obviously it is nice, sunny, and fabulous here in the great state of Florida. But honestly, I know that it's not like this everywhere. So if you have to like bundle up inside or have like a little shed and things like that that you can work in, these are different projects that you can do that are still beneficial, you know, to your like woodworking hands and mind. Okay, so today, as you saw, we are going to do a cup holder or armrest scenario situation, and this idea actually came about because my baby boy, he sits, Ricky, y'all know him, Ricky the third, he sits like next to us when we eat in his high chair, and he always like touches the top of the chair to get our attention and or just to do something other than eat. And I get tired of seeing like his hands hit the thing, and it's like, oh, you're making the sofa dirty, and the thing is, and then sometimes when I'm sitting down, I don't want to like lean up to put my cup on the table. Therefore, this idea should be grand and great that allow me to be lazy, convenient, and you know, restful at the end of the day. That's what I'm looking for. That's what I'm going for, and that's what we're gonna do. So I've already measured out my wood in the way in which I need it to be cut and things like that. I have my table saw here for this situation because there is a cut that's gonna be at an angle, which an angled cut is something I have never done before. Therefore, this is something new that we would get to do together, and I think it's nice. It's only fitting because we are coming up to my 1-year anniversary to woodworking, pallet videos, and things like that. So, hey, why not go into the new year, which will be next month in November. October, November, yep, no, November's next. November will be my 1-year anniversary, so why not go into the new year with something new in and under my belt? So we are gonna do that. I'm gonna cut the wood. You know what to do. Go ahead and smash that like button if you haven't already done so. Subscribe, because you should. Join the DKUJ family, where we do different palette ideas, cooking videos, gardening as well. You wanna be a part? Smash that thumbs up button, hit that subscribe button, and make sure you click that bell notification so you can be a part and know what is going on. All right, let me cut, do what you do, and I'ma get back to you. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, so now that I have my cuts done, and I actually did successfully do, well, successful is now, we'll see what it looks like once I put it on everything together. Here is my angle cut. I had to do it at approximately 27 degrees, okay? So that ultimately because the arm of my couch, which you'll see when we go inside, is at a slant. So there's one straight angle, 90 degree, but of course, well, not of course, but the other side isn't a 90 degree, which will be ideal, which would make life so much easier. However, it's like, no, if you're gonna do it, you're gonna have some fun, and it is at an angle. So I cut it to that angle. Hopefully I can apply it to the other board, to the middle piece with the angle in mind, and it will go on easily. So let me go ahead and attach the boards together. Now I will make sure I do a that's what I'll do. I'll do a voiceover to let you know what to do in connecting your boards together, because you don't want anything to go wrong at this point, because at this point you will be done, and when you are done you can have fun. Okay, so let me go ahead and do it. I'll show you what it's all about, and we will almost be done.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, so I had to start off with sanding because of course when it's all put together it's a little bit more difficult to sand, so sanding it now is ideal. And then, you know, because when you put it up on your couch you don't want anything to be going wrong. So then I pre-drill the holes because you don't want any splitting to take place. So pre-drilling is ideal and key in success for this project. So I was just lining things up. As you can see, it was like very awkward, and then I realized, okay, I need to have the slanted piece to be the middle piece, because ultimately the slanted piece is going to guide the other piece to the way I need it to go. Okay, so that is what I did. Struggled through it all, but we made it happen, and now And now I can show you.
Wow, as we struggled through that, I learned some valuable lessons that I can even just use in my portfolio, even if this doesn't work out and pan out to be what I want it to be. And one of those things is when you cut at an angle, you have to screw in at an angle so that things can be flush. Didn't think that thing through. I had a couple of splinters, cracks and things like that. I tried the pre-drill. That wasn't really working out the way I wanted it to be because actually the bit that I need, I've actually broken. So I need to go and get some more of those. Just, you know, different things that I've learned along this lesson. But nonetheless, at the end of the day, I have one finished product that I will go inside and put on the couch and see how it all turned out. So, ladies and gentlemen, come with me and let's see what ultimately we have. Is it a yes or is it a no? We will find out. All right, ladies and gentlemen, so we have my lovely son. Ricky, say hello.
Hello.
You say how you doing, everybody? Okay, you were telling everybody how you ultimately doing. Okay, but nonetheless, as you can see, here he is, and this is where he usually puts his hands and crumbs and things get right there, which I do not like at all. Therefore, I was like, what can I do? And my friends, we gonna see what ultimately we have. Uh-oh. Do I see a perfect fit? Wait a minute. Wait a minute. And then, all right, so boom. Uh-oh. Uh-huh. Yep, boom. Yep, so when you touch, it is baby proof. And let me see if it will hold. Here's a little bottle that he usually has. Boom. Uh-oh. The cup holder works, Ricky. Can you say yes? Can you say yay? On 3. 1, 2, 3. Yay! Oh my goodness, I am so surprised and shocked that it actually worked. Ladies and gentlemen, I must be honest with you all. I wasn't expecting it to work. Chris was asking me, what are you doing? What do you have going on? And I did not want to say because I did not know if what I was going to say is actually so. But nonetheless, I can say with boldness and confidence, I have created the first cup holder of, I don't want to say many, but the first one that I have ever done. So it worked out. Ricky, can you say yay? Huh? Yay, thank you. Are you proud of your dad?
No.
Okay, yep, I expected him to say no, so don't come for me in the comments. Well, at the end of the day, ladies and gentlemen, we have a successful project. Now, there were some things that I did learn along the way, and I would say one thing that I would do is make it a little bit longer next time. So if you give this product a try, make it a little longer. I mean, maybe if you have 2 or 3 drinks that you want to go ahead and rest, cool. But nonetheless, you know, the bigger it is, the more stable I presume it will be because this is my first time doing it. Therefore, I will let you all know, give a review on it within like a month or so. You know, let me know, remind me, and I will make sure I do that review for you all. And like I said, let me know what different projects you have. I would like to shout out the Holmes family. Don't keep up with the Holmeses, okay? I love you all, Holmes family. You are so awesome, always commenting on my various videos, and I was made known that you and your daughter do that at your home when these videos are playing. So I want to make sure I shouted you all out. I did see your idea. It does seem a little tricky, but I may give it a try, so we gonna see. But at the end of the day, if you have any other gift giving wooden projects that you think I could or should do, let me know in the comment section below, and I will see if I can give it a try. Okay, I love you all, beautiful people, and as I always say, love yourself, because as you love yourself, it will help you to love others better and to make this world a better place. So until next time, peace